Wanna find out what that house is made of.
Guys, they are fishing out of the pond. I gotta get one on. Nice. That's how we like it. Ouch. Yeah, that hurts. Okay. Trying to get this out. Ow. My pole is in the water right now. Nice bass. Alright guys, just caught this bass. I mean, it's not the best, but it's a bass. Yep. I actually saw him there before. I've been trying to catch him. Finally got him though. Put him back. There he goes. Nice. Alright guys, just caught that fish. Sorry if my hair is messy. I don't have a hat on. I've been doing all this stuff. My two little nephews are here. I'm playing with them. But just caught that bass. I've actually been seeing them right here all day. I haven't caught them. You might have been thinking, like I said, wow, this is a good one. It looked good, but it really wasn't. So just ignore that fact. And another thing you're probably wondering is gun. What's with the gun? Gun is for snakes. There is a pile of snakes around here. A pile of them. They've been coming out. I hooked my freaking finger trying to get that fish. It's not even big, but dang it, I think the thing hurts. I'm actually gonna go inside real quick. I'm going to grab the catfish pole because I just saw Black Mamba. Y'all know her if you watch my old video, but she's a big catfish and they're 12 pounds. And yeah, so I go get catfish pole, probably brim pole, and I'll see y'all guys in a minute. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna go get my pole. Kind of thought about it for a second, but I'm just gonna go outside. Dinner's about to be ready. And alright guys, my bad about that. I had to go get actually watermelon. I'm gonna get thrown in the pond. Don't ask me why. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been a fun video and a good video, quick video. It's kind of quick because I had a lot of parts in it, but I really don't feel like taking that long to upload. It took me 2 hours to upload an 8-minute video. But it's been fun again. And, I'm tired. Been fishing all day. It's my actually first fish I've caught ever since I started probably 5 o'clock. And yeah, so that's been my day so far. Now I gotta throw this watermelon out. I don't know if they like it or not. Sharon, my granny, said they did, so whatever. I'll find out soon if they do or not, because I don't know. And now the big guy. It landed on the side I wanted to land on. Make this stuff. Alright guys, well, hope fish. I lied. Yeah, because I caught brim. So I guess that counts. And caught a bass. Guys, hope you liked it.